Quarantine got me making a meatloaf at work, fam. They could have closed this damn restaurant.
Alright, so I chop my onions, my celery, and my green bell peppers, which is basically the holy trinity. This is eggs and my crackers. I'm making a paste with some crackers and milk just to keep my meatloaf moist while it's cooking in the oven. As you can see, I have all my ingredients chopped in order, measured. And the key to not making a dry meatloaf is to saute your onions and peppers along with that paste and the egg yolk so the inside will stay moist throughout the cooking process. Now, if you like to top your meatloaf with gravy, I think you're a fucking psychopath. Ketchup is the only way to go. Period. Now all I gotta do is set this to 20 minutes, and once it comes out, I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes so it doesn't fall apart on me, and boom, we good.